In today's video, I'm going to be showing you cabin 1724, also known as the Star Loft Suite, on board Harmony of the Seas. And this is your balcony. Isn't that crazy? It is huge. Hey all, it's Koala bringing you quality cruise content, and I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite cabins on board this ship. Now this is part of the Star Class suites, and that means you get access to the suite lounge, of course, and all of the suite perks, but you also get your own personal genie as well. Think of it as like a butler. You have this amazing TV as well as your mini fridge. Of course, you can request for your personal favorites to be stocked. You have a lot of charging outlets here too. And if you've seen my other videos, you know just how important storage is for me personally. I find though that with this particular suite cabin, it is not overly excessive, which is nice. Now the room is huge. You have a closet on the first floor because this is actually a 2-floor cabin. The closet here is a really nice size. Great to put your suitcase on the bottom as well. You will also find a lot of technology in this room, which I'll show you later. You have the dining area and of course your dry bar, more storage over here too. And you're actually going to find the safes over here as well. There are 2 safes, which I think is really helpful, especially because this cabin can hold a whole family. On the first floor, you have a pull-out sofa bed, and on the second floor, you have the main bed. You can find a hairdryer down on this floor too, as well as tissues, and there's a little vanity area as well. You'll find the coffee station with all of your favorites, and there is a bathroom down here as well. It is very similar to the one upstairs, and the difference is that this one has a shower, whereas the one upstairs has a bathtub. So I will show you what that looks like in a second. But when I said there's a lot of technology, there is a whole automatic system for the curtains to open and close them. On the main bedroom floor, there is a television that can be tucked away into the ceiling. Now this balcony is by far the best balcony I have ever had. Hands down. I asked my genie for a yoga mat, and I would do yoga every morning when I woke up because the views are amazing. I would also eat my breakfast out here. We also had a personalized lunch out here too. I mean, you really cannot beat these views. These are incredible. As you head upstairs to the primary bedroom, you are greeted by mirrors, which actually hide the closet. The size is also nice. It's actually pretty comparable to the size downstairs too. This vanity does also have a hairdryer and a tissue box as well. What I think Royal Caribbean did really well with this particular cabin is that they have a lot more outlets available and a lot of US compatible outlets, which is so important. They also actually put outlets by the bed, which is so rare to find on a cruise ship. The views from the upstairs bedroom are also just as good as the ones downstairs, which I really love. Of course, you have drawers on either side of the bed, which is always helpful. And then you have the bathroom too. Now remember I said the upstairs bathroom has the bathtub. This is a better view of the bathroom. The layout is nice. For a suite, I actually think these bathrooms were pretty small, but they are modern and really nice, which I think makes up for it. Now here is the view that you can get from the bedroom, which I think is a really nice way to wake up. Our cabin steward was absolutely lovely. She was so creative with the towel animals, and it was just an overall amazing experience. I think I'll do a separate video outlining the Star Class amenities and the difference between all of the suite classes that the Oasis class ships have to offer. But if you do have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was informative for you. Don't forget to subscribe for all things cruising on The Life of a Cruiser, and I will see you next time. Bon voyage!